Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. MONSTA back in the building. They came back with like, well, based on the teaser I saw. What's up? It's your boy Dre from JREAMERS. Based on the teaser I saw, it looked like some Brazilian funk. Do what I want. And they were going crazy. Man, it's been a minute, MONSTA. It's good to see him. It's good to see him. All right, y'all. Put a comment down below what you guys think of MONSTA. Do what I want. I know I haven't checked it out yet, but I know y'all have. And y'all coming over here to watch it. But be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out the Patreon if you haven't already. And let's get into this, shall we? I love.
Is this what you want?
Maybe.
Damn, do what I want. Do what I want.
What you gonna?
Damn, do what I want.
Hey.
오랜만이야 막 달리는 레이셔 알잖아 내 적토마 같은 patient 이런 케이스 이런 베이스 이런 케이크 누가 하냐 쇼타임 알잖아 내 적토마 같은 patient 이런 케이스 이런 베이스 이런 케이크 누가 하냐 쇼타임 It's now so we don't above 이 위에서
it's like so retro filmed on like what the hell boys being boys oh I think did they have they do have elf ears. What the hell? Or like alien ears? What is that? Spock ears? Okay. What the fuck? How the hell this look retro but his abs on HD? Freaking car wash in this bitch. Damn. All of them.
Skip that, cause I'm no tone.
What?
Okay,
I am.
I hate that, dirty my phone.
Yo.
비슷해, 하고 slow mo. 누군가만 나만 됐다. 시간 지나 우린 벌써 over decade.
Yeah.
절대 대충 일은 없지. 사실 뭐 it never afraid.
Okay. Yeah, can I work around with y'all? Oh, y'all getting buffed though, I'm not gonna lie. Oh. They have like little horns too, right? What the hell? I do what I want. Do what I want. Do what I want. Do what I want. Do what I want.
I do what I want. You call me. 이름 뭐야 today we got. 내게 더 깊이. 아찔하게 진하게 달려 우리 다른 quality.
You honey?
Are you ready for a night?
Hey. Oh.
자유롭게 누벼 네 손을 잡고 run. 내게로 이제 come on baby.
Come on baby.
You got me hot up on stage. Telling me on the 밤새. Do what I want.
This is, you know, I don't know what people's take on this, but this go hard. I'm not gonna lie, especially when the beat comes in like with the Brazilian funk fire. Oh.
Do what I want.
Do what I want.
Woo! MONSTA in the building. My God, this MV. Let me go back. You already know where I'm going back towards. You already know what I'm going back towards. So they're like superheroes or like not humans? Hey man, respect my guy, respect. And I got to meet this guy at one point. He got a strong handshake.
Do what I want.
Skip that, cause I'm no tone. I'm in tech, with the muzzle. I hate that, dirty my phone. The 비슷해, 하고 slow mo. 누군가만 나만 됐다. 시간 지나 우린 벌써 over decade. 절대
You know what I mean?
대충이란 없지.
Oh, 몬스타엑스, bro.
never afraid.
Alright, y'all, put a comment down below what you guys think. This shit go hard. This shit go hard. It's like it just bumps to a different beat. I like it. I didn't know what to expect overall as a music video. I didn't expect them to be like, I didn't pay attention to their ears in the teaser. I don't know. Comments down below. Be sure to check out the Patreon if you haven't already. It's your boy JRE from Jrekml. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. Ooh, and I'll see you guys the next time. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.